We've cracked the code. I've cracked the code. Someone asked me a long time ago, and I've looked on the forums as well for information on how do you get from Python to Max with speech, like speaking into a microphone, recognizing commands, etc., and then processing them in Max. Well, it turns out that Python is not too hard to do with Max if you use the PythonOSC libraries. And you can get the speech recognition. This is the free one from Google Cloud. It doesn't require an API key. Speech recognition is SR. The code's rather short, actually. It's only 60 lines. There it is. And it's available along with the Max patch on my Patreon. I just started Patreon. I'm new to it, and I'm giving this one away for free. So this is recognizing speech and sending to Max. To start using it, you will launch your Max patch first. You can see that it's using port 54321 and listening for UDP receive on 54321. Then it's going to route these commands speech, bang, which we're sending here in the program. We're sending the speech and upper speech, so we always get upper text. The speech recognition is pretty good. I'm going to start the terminal now, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's just set the window here so you can see it. Okay. First thing we want to do is CD to the correct directory here, and then we want to launch the speech to Max shell script. Oh, let me show you that so you're not worried we're taking over your computer or something. We're just doing two things. We're setting the virtual environment, and we're running the Python script. That's all. And you want to use a virtual environment if you have multiple versions and want to keep your library separate on Python. Let's go back to the terminal. Okay, then we're going to run the script. So that's it. Has to be executable. Enter. C major. F sharp Lydian. A minor. And I hit Control C to stop. So there you have it, Python to Max, sending messages. We are selecting, using the select object to pick things that come in as commands and then route them a certain way. I'm doing this just to demonstrate we can say A minor and see A minor from Max. That's it. You could use this in all kinds of creative ways. Some suggestions might be for children's reading games, music theory flashcards, anything creative. I have included all the necessary files to make the solution work. The shell script sets your environment, launches Python 3 with the source code provided. I have tested on a Mac running Max.It and Python 3. There you go. All these things are free, and they're on my Patreon site, which is listed in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.